Hey guys, Mrs. Traver here. Today we're going to talk about heights and their relationship to area. Our learning target is you'll be able to find the area of composite shapes using what we've learned about parallelograms, triangles, and trapezoids. You know you will be successful when you can determine what length of height is used for the base or bases. We're going to check our assignment from yesterday, take some note on heights. It'll go by really fast today, and then I'm going to introduce you to a quizzes that we have in class as well as an assignment for today. So let's jump in. Here are the answers to yesterday's assignment for you. Go ahead and check those. And here's the rest of them. If you have any questions on those, please feel free to see me on Zoom. Let's jump in. This is literally my only slide for today. My pen is being a little funky. Let me get it going. There it goes. All right, so here's what I want to look at. I have a bunch of triangles on screen, and notice that the base is written in a lot of different places. So all I want to do is draw the height. Remember, the base and height are perpendicular. And this symbol might have come up in your textbook here and there, but that symbol means perpendicular. I'll put underneath. So they meet at a right angle. So if this is my base, then my height has to go to the top and be perpendicular to the base. On this one, if this were the base, this looks like a right angle to me. I'm going to draw it in as such. This one would have been the height. On this one, if this is the base, the height would have been here. So I'll just put an H. If this were the base, the height would, I can't draw the height inside. I'm going to have to draw it outside of the figure. It would be over here. Hopefully you're getting the hang of these. Try these three on the bottom, see how you do. It's the same triangle drawn 3 times, but with different sides as the base. If you're getting a little weirded out by this, keep in mind you can always kind of turn your head to see it where the base is on the bottom. All right, pause your screen now. Hopefully you pause your screen. Let's see, the base on this one would have to be, the base is here. The height would have to be perpendicular to that. So I'm going to draw it right here out at a right angle to the base. On this one, I can draw it inside the figure here. And on this one, I'm going to draw it on the outside of the figure. That looks like about the same. So this distance here. Or you could have drawn it through the triangle right over here. Sorry that I got a little sloppy. My point is, recognize where the base is and go perpendicular to that for the height. Here's what I want to do next. We're going to do a quiz is thing in class. If you'd like, join here by typing in the code, or if you want, join us on Zoom, and I'm putting the same slide on my board for students in class, and you can join and compete and see the screen where it has all of our results as you go. It's relatively quick and it's on area practice, so jump in if you'd like. Otherwise, I'm going to move forward and show you your assignment is in section 224, numbers 94 through 98. Let's see what it looks like. Go down to the review preview. 94 has 3 problems where it's wanting you to find the area of each. Make sure to use units it tells you. The next it's looking at multiplying expressions. This one you'll distribute. Then there's a box or FOIL method for the next 3. Number 96, it says graph these on the same set of axes and then notice where they intersect. Now I want you to be cautious on this one. The first one is a line. The next one is a parabola. If you do not remember how to graph these, it's okay. Pause yourself and just use the E tool. On here, you can turn on the graphs like this and turn them off if you wish, and all it's asking is where those lines cross. On number 97, it says to use graph paper, or you could use the E tool once again to plot these points and then look at what happens when you rotate it, naming the new coordinates of the next vertex. Last one, number 98, is a probability question, and it's talking about playing cards. Now, if you are not sure what playing cards are and all the different cards that are involved in that, then you can use the glossary to find playing cards. You can also just Google it and you'll find a picture with all the cards you can reference as well. All right, that's all I've got for today. I hope it's worked out, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.